Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Bite. Today, we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy A16. It's one of the newest budget-friendly phones from Samsung, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through all its specs to see if it's really worth your time and money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Let's get started. Design and display. First off, let's talk design. The Galaxy A16 has a sleek, modern look with a plastic back and a nice glossy finish. It's super comfortable to hold, and it comes in a few cool colors like black and light gray. Now onto the display. The A16 comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED screen, which looks really sharp and vibrant. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or just browsing, the screen looks great in any lighting. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass, so it's a bit more durable. Overall, the display is one of the highlights of this phone, especially for its price. Performance. Performance-wise, the Samsung Galaxy A16 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 Plus octa-core processor, paired with either 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, depending on the model you get. This means it handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming pretty smoothly. It also comes with 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage, plus a micro SD card slot for extra space. So, no matter how many apps or photos you have, you shouldn't run into storage issues. Camera setup. Next up, the cameras. On the back, the Galaxy A16 features a 50.0 megapixel plus 5.0 megapixel plus 2.0 megapixel camera, which takes great photos in good lighting. It's perfect for snapping clear and sharp shots of anything, from landscapes to close-ups. Plus, it has an ultra-wide camera and a depth sensor, so you can get creative with your shots, like capturing wide-angle views or adding that nice blurry background effect. On the front, the A16 has a 13-megapixel camera for great selfies and video calls. It's a solid option if you like sharing your moments with friends or family. Battery life. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy A16 comes with a big 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which means you can easily get through a full day of use without worrying about running out of power. It also supports 15-watt fast charging, so if you do need a quick charge, you can top it up without waiting too long. Software and features. Software-wise, the A16 runs on Android 14 and One UI 6.1. One UI is smooth and easy to use, with a bunch of cool features like dark mode, One UI customization. It also has a built-in fingerprint scanner for security, which is super quick and easy to use. And for Face Unlock fans, it also supports that feature too. Samsung's One UI gives you a clean, user-friendly experience, and you get all the useful apps and tools right out of the box, including Samsung Pay. Price and conclusion. So, how much does all this cost? The Samsung Galaxy A16 is priced at around $220, 62,000 Pakistani rupees, which makes it a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable phone without breaking the bank. For the price, it offers really good performance, a great camera setup, and solid battery life. If you're after a budget-friendly phone that doesn't feel cheap, this one definitely stands out. In my opinion, if you need an affordable device for everyday use, the Galaxy A16 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you want to see more tech reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.